For this assignment, I have created a template different than the one that is located in your topic materials, as I feel this one will help you understand the process of writing objectives. The first part is from the assignment, word for word. You are going to answer and look at the following questions. The lesson plan you're going to use is the second topic material located in topic 2. You're going to copy the academic standard, you're going to copy the learning objective, and then you're going to show or tell me if there's alignment and how you would know. The next piece I'm going to show you an example is you're going to pick 2 different standards and you're going to create an objective. There is a lot of information later in this presentation to talk about how to write objectives. So here's an example. I chose a first grade standard. Describe characters, settings, and major events in a story using key details. Now, this standard right here could take me a week or 2 to get through. I do not teach the entire thing in one day, so I'm going to choose one part. The thing I'm going to do first is find a verb that you can measure. I can measure describe. So students can describe something and I can measure how well they did. Now, the verb does not have to be the same verb that is in the standard. You could use explain. You could use compare. There's a lot of different verbs you can use. It doesn't have to really exactly. So in the content that they're going to be doing, they're going to be describing characters in a story. I'm not worried about the setting, the events. All I'm going to focus on first is characters. The way they're going to show me their description is they're going to draw a detailed picture and write one sentence. Now this is first grade, so writing a picture or drawing a picture is more helpful than writing a paragraph. Now I'm going to put these things together. These 2 usually go together, and then I use the word by and tell me what they're going to be doing. Students will be able to describe a character in a story by keyword. How are they going to do it? Drawing a detailed picture. Now from there, you're going to explain what the lesson will be. So remember, we kind of start with a hook. We can do some teaching. So in this case, students will listen to a book that I'm going to read. While reading this, I'll stop and ask questions about the characters so they can start putting those pieces together. After that, they're going to go off on their own and they're going to draw a picture of one of the characters and write a sentence. I'm also going to help them. Use a sentence starter. Blank, so the name of the character is blah, and blah. So you can also help them by writing a sentence starter. So what you're going to do is you're going to do 2 of these to practice. You can use 2 completely different standards, or you can use the same standard, but change the verb and the content.